What's up, everybody? Chris from Retractable Truck, and today we're going to be going over another product for that 19 and up Ram 2500, 3500 short box that I've been working on. Say hello to the integral straps. These are a ratcheting and retracting strap that bolts into the factory cleat position where we mounted the integral rails. Now, I'm going to leave one side on of the integral rail because it includes a tie down built into the bracket. So I'm going to get one side off, and I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you what we're working with. All right, guys, here's what we're going to be working with today. Included in the kit are two of the ratcheting strap systems from Retractable Truck. We've got two mounting plates where they mount where the factory cleats go. I've got some hardware. So we've got some T40s, and then we've got some 5mm Allens. It does come with a nice T40 bit to put those in. You're going to need a 5mm Allen, and to make things simple, I just use a battery-powered impact. So that's the parts and the tools. So let's go ahead and get this installed. All right, first things first, we're going to remove the factory cleat, which went right here. Already removed that, and then we're going to replace it with this mount plate for the integral straps. As you can see, it has 4 holes. 2 are going to mount in the factory position, and 2 of them are threaded and have a bit of an extrusion to them, and that's where the integral strap is going to mount. So we're going to put in these 2 holes with the supplied T40 bolts and the bit that goes with them. Next up, we're going to install the integral straps right here onto the mounting plate, and it's going to take 2 of the 5mm bolts. Those put in. And just like that, the integral strap is mounted. Now, as you can see, it does have a tie down underneath it, but we're actually going to be pulling it across this cargo and attaching it to the tie down on the integral rail bracket. Now, these are kind of a great system. With them pushed all the way in like this, you can ratchet it out, push the red button, and it draws it back in, or draw it out, click it back into position, and tighten everything down. So let's take a look and see how it works. All right, the integral strap is installed and it's super easy to use. So let's click it back into the ratcheting position. We'll take our strap over to the other side. We'll latch it on to the existing bracket from the other integral rail. Take the ratchet strap, flick it down into this position. And our cargo is secure, quick and easy. Now, these straps do have a 400-pound working load limit and a 1,200-pound brake strength, so they're nice and tough. The keeper and the fitting are both 16-gauge steel, and I'll tell you what, powder-coated, rust-resistant. I mean, they're nice. They're coated stainless hardware. It's just a really nice setup, heavy-duty, burly, and ready to work for you. This kit fits all the 2019 and up Ram 2500 and 3500, both 6'4" and 8-foot beds. It just requires those factory tie downs here that are pre-threaded so you can mount this very easily. As you can see, this does have a factory spray-in bed liner, works perfectly with it, but if you do have a drop-in plastic liner, there is going to be some trimming involved to get this mounted up on the wall. All right, guys, there you have it. That is the integral strap installation on the 2019 and up Ram 2500 and 3500. 400-pound workload, 1,200-pound braking strength. This is going to be great. I use this truck to haul hay, and it's a 10-foot strap, so I can go up and over my load of hay, keep it all nice and secure when I'm traveling down the highway. Now, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. Be glad to hear from you. But for now, this is Chris signing off for Retractable Truck. Get out there and have yourself an awesome day.